Right. Junior, continue.
To answer the junior questions, you'll need to get all 15 right to win the million.
Right. Which letter of the alphabet comes immediately before Q? J, W, M, or P? P.
Off to a good start. Well done. Good question 2. It's for 200 quid.
Right, question 2. What name is given to the World Computer Network? BirdNet, PairNet, FishyNet, or Internet? Internet, isn't it?
That's the right answer.
It's correct. That's the right one.
Question is worth £300.
Right, question 3. What does a florist sell? Birthday cards, flowers, newspapers, or box of chocolates? Flowers. It's flowers.
Well done.
That's correct.
Question is for 500 quid. Take a look.
Right, question 4. Which of these items of clothing has a bib with shoulder straps? Shorts, boot-cut jeans, flares, or dungarees? Dungarees, that's another name for overalls.
It's the
Pair of overalls, isn't it?
one question away from your first milestone. Get this right, and you'll be guaranteed £1,000.
Right. What part of the human body surrounds the brain? Skull, sternum, scapula, or shin? That's a skull.
It's the right answer. You're guaranteed a cheque for £1,000, but I don't want to give you that just yet. Let's shake things up a bit now by introducing a few pictures into the questions. Brand new experience for this special Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Now you might as well play the next question. It's worth 2,000 quid.
Right, question 6 for 15.
In which Disney film are the title character's ears so big that he can use them for flying? Bambi, Peter Pan, Pinocchio, Dumbo.
Dumbo, because it's released on the 31st October 1941.
With your answer.
Mm-hmm.
You've just won yourself £2,000. To question 7, it's worth £4,000. You don't have to play it, but here it comes.
Right.
Which golden retriever joined Blue Peter in 1999? Holly, Mary, Lucy, Daisy.
Lucy.
That correct answer takes you up to £4,000. Next question is worth £8,000, but you will drop £3,000 if you get it.
Whoa, $3,000. That's a lot of money to lose, in fact. Right.
Which boy band had a UK #1 hit with Mandy in November 2003? Westlife, Busted, Blue, Boyzone.
That'll be Westlife.
You're doing very well. It's another correct answer. To play for some serious money now. This question is worth £16,000, but get it wrong and you'll lose £7,000. Here it comes.
Right.
This famous sign is in which US state? California, Washington, Texas, Kentucky.
That's California.
The answer, things are going well. Okay, this is where you can guarantee yourself £32,000. Of course, if you get it wrong, you'll drop back to 1,000. Take as long as you need. Here comes the question. A parasol is a type of what? Felt hat, perfume spray, umbrella, Italian boat.
That's umbrella.
Glad you chose to play that one. It's the correct answer.
It's lucky I'm using the junior questions, not the adult questions.
Fantastic. I can now write you out a cheque for £32,000. It's picture questions all the way now. You might as well have a go at question number 11 for £64,000. Here it comes.
Right, question 11.
King of England had how many wives? 2, 4,
Six.
That is the correct
That image is Henry the Seventh, isn't it? Henry the Eighth, isn't it? Six.
question is worth £125,000. There is no time limit. Here it comes. Replica of a type of ship used by which seafaring warriors? Vikings, Celts, Romans, Egyptians.
Vikings, isn't it?
Just won £125,000. You've done brilliantly to get this far. The next question is number 13 out of 15, and it's worth £250,000. We're talking about some huge sums of money here. So, make sure you take your time and think carefully before you answer.
I'll try my best, Space Ranger.
Country was the tomb of this ancient king discovered? Mexico, Egypt, Greece, Peru.
That's Egypt, isn't it? Final answer.
It's the right answer.
Well, it's lucky I didn't use a life. Don't call me Brainy Mikey for nothing. It's lucky I didn't use a lifeline.
Okay, you are now just 2 questions away from becoming a virtual millionaire. If you get this wrong, you will drop all the way back to 30.
Not only I'll drop back to 32, I'll drop £218,000. There's a lot of money to lose, in fact.
Very careful. Here comes question number 14.
Well, here we go.
What first names were used by this Pope who died in April 2005? Pius Paul, John Gregory, John Paul, Simon Peter.
That'll be John Paul. Final answer.
This is for £500,000.
I know. Final answer.
Well done. It's the correct answer. Well, congratulations. You have played a magnificent game so far. 14 questions correct. So, just one more to win £1 million. Now, I've got to remind you that if you get it wrong, you would drop a mammoth
Whoa, 468,000. I'm not going to get the £1 million question wrong tonight.
Very, very best of luck.
Well, here we go.
The author of these 2 series of children's books,
That's Mr. Menlo.
King Smith, Raymond Briggs, Roger Hargreaves, Alan Allbird.
Roger Hargreaves. Final answer.
Okay, let me just check. That is your final answer. I want you to be absolutely sure.
It's my answer.
You had £500,000, and you risked it to go for $1 million. I can tell you, it's the right answer.
Yes! I've done it! I'm doing well.
Congratulations, you are a virtual millionaire. You played a magnificent game. You answered all 15 questions correctly. Well done. Not only have you won a virtual £1 million, you've also got the chance to win an incredible prize, a millionaire-style luxury holiday for you and your family. All of the instructions are on the screen. It really couldn't be simpler.
Right, which of these sports takes place on ice? Snooker, curling, polo, lacrosse. That'll be curling. Gotta explain the game.
Very well done, and thanks for playing the family picture edition of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire?
But game over. Wow, what a good night's been so far.